Hi, I'm Mark from Quality Edge. Today we're doing an install training at Richard's Supply. We're putting up single six. We'll be putting up some transition trim and some board and batten. Alright, we're here on the job. We're doing TruCedar. Today we're hanging with screws. They're a modified truss screw, galvanized. We got our single six profile. You can also use roofing nails, galvanized roofing nails. We're using the screws just for the instance that we're in. It's a little easier to back it in and out. Alright, so when we're fastening down our panel, it's good to have it to float. So what we're doing is this wall right here has got a bit of a bow into it. So when we hang it, and we keep this screw away, it allows it to straighten out the wall with the strength of the panel. Alright, so I'm centering up inside the slot, a little pressure, screw it in, back it out, and we're leaving a fair amount of clearance on the inside and outside so we can let the panel float. You can find more information on this panel and other profiles on our website, qualityedge.com.